Dad, what are you doing?
What? What am I doing? Why are you sneaking up on me like that? And what are we doing?
We're going to be talking about what do you need to do if you're selling your car, whether it be private party to the dealer. We got your Mini.
My Mini.
And walk us through. So let's start with selling it to a dealership. Is there anything I should do before I sell to a dealership to
clean it.
Like, should I get rid of that?
Well, it's hard to imagine that we ran this through a car wash yesterday, because it looked really good yesterday, but there's a lot of pollen in the air in Vegas these days. But you want to clean the car before you take it to a dealership. Because they always view a clean car as, well, a nicer car. Could have been a pigsty 10 minutes ago, but now all of a sudden it's a nicer car. So clean it, run it through a car wash, make it look presentable. If you have, like I do, a scuff on the wheel, don't ask me how I did that, folks. I really don't know.
It wasn't me this time.
It was me. I don't know how and when, but I did get that taken care of. Now, in this case, I would probably just try and cover it up with some black Sharpie and hope that nobody notices. But that's just me. Now, on the front wheel,
you're auto advocate.
I hit a curb with the front wheel too. Where the heck is that one?
Oh, it's down here, Dad.
Oh, there it is. Yeah.
You're bending over quite a bit, man. Bend at the knees.
So, I would touch that up as well, and then on the inside of the car.
Yeah. So exterior.
Yeah.
Touch up tires. Get it washed.
Yeah. On the inside of the car, I'd make my son remove all the shit that he has in it. Although I'm not allowed to use the S word.
You are on videos, not on live stream.
So I'd make my son remove all the stuff he has in it, because he's got stuff everywhere. I cleaned it up the other day.
Is that your chapstick?
I don't use chapstick.
I guess it's mine.
Yeah, it's probably yours. So clean up the interior and exterior. Oh my God, look at that, Zach. Get pictures of that.
That must be from where my bike goes.
Yeah, from where your sea sucker goes.
Well, Dad, can you talk a little bit more? Let me get you out of the... I don't want to be looking directly in the sun.
Why? I like the sun. It makes me feel good.
No, but I guess my question, Dad...
Clean up the whole car. Interior, exterior, front, back.
So that's my question, Dad.
Yeah.
When you're cleaning out... Oh, you look good.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice t-shirt.
Yeah, thank you.
When you're cleaning out the car, are you cleaning it to look spotless, or you're just getting your crap out of it?
Well, take most of your crap out of it, and you don't have to make it look spotless, but like we just ran this through a car wash yesterday. This would look clean to a dealer.
But I guess, does that change the value that they're going to offer you?
Yes.
It does? Cool.
Yeah, because they look at it and go, oh, this guy really takes care of his car. But it might have been the first car wash it's ever gone through, but they don't need to know that.
And then again, for like the wheels, you're saying either do it yourself or go to an independent shop.
Yes, because there's like wheel repair vendors out there that can touch up wheels. Normally they charge, I don't know, I want to say $150, $200 a wheel to make them look brand new again.
Okay. Anything else specifically for the dealership?
No.
All right. Now, what about if I'm doing like private party? And when we say dealership, let's just be clear. That's also like Carvana of Rumor. I guess they don't really care.
They don't care.
They don't even inspect.
Let me ask you a question. When you sold your car to Carvana, how thorough of an inspection did they go through when you brought it to them? None. Okay.
I don't know if you can see the reflection, but none.
Yeah. Okay. So, I mean, you don't have to make it perfect, but just,
for a dealer, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So,
even for private party, if there's less things that they can find wrong with it, if there's less stuff that they can find inside the car, less trash, so that it would just indicate that you're the kind of person that takes exemplary care of your car, having service records and things like that. Those all send good signals to a buyer. So I would have all your paperwork, all your documentation. I would have the stuff cleaned out. I would not have, like, this is on me. I put these masks in here, okay?
That's my seasick, or my car sick medicine.
He'll need that for when we drive back. Watch your step. So I would just have, like, all the little scuff marks cleaned up, just so that it really looks presentable and that you really take excellent care of the car, whether you do or you don't.
Now, on the private party side, would
Yes.
you recommend, let's say I'm selling it that way,
Yeah.
that I, in advance, get like a pre-purchase inspection or something like that, or just the Carfax? I guess I'm wondering, are there any other
I
things?
would buy a Carfax. I would make copies of the Carfax to give to people. I wouldn't do a PPI. I would because somebody's going to want to do their own PPI, so I would let somebody do a PPI.
Gotcha.
But I wouldn't do it.
Any other pieces like mechanical that you like from a consumer standpoint? So obviously you get the pre-purchase inspection done.
Yeah,
but
I mean, if
I'm
you've got
selling it
stuff in the car that's not working, get it fixed.
before you sell it,
Or when you're advertising, and let them know that there's an issue with this, and this. These things are going to need to be addressed. If I address them, the price will be X. If you address them, the price will be
why?
Y. And that's exactly what the customer said. Well, why are you only giving me $500 for all the stuff that needs to be done? Because that's all it's going to take.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, Pops. Parting shots. Let me get a look at that.
Yeah.
YourAutoAdvocate.com. Think about becoming a member.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. There you go.
And realize that power is knowledge, or knowledge is power, or what the hell would it say? Knowledge is power. Yeah. Now let's go work out.
All right, folks. It's a man in a cardigan. No, be careful, Dad. Be careful. All right. See you guys.